Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the alphabet S. Alphabet S. This is the uppercase S, also called the capital letter S. The small letter s, also called the lowercase s. S is for sun. Sun. S is for sunflower. Sunflower. S is for star. Star. S is for snail. Snail. S is for snake. Snake. S is for spoon. Spoon. S is for squirrel. Squirrel. S is for soap. Soap. Now let's see what all we learned for letter S. Sun. Sunflower. Star. Snail. Snake. Soap. Squirrel. Spoon.